everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Christmas is coming up and I want to give you some ideas for the guys in your life. I've got a fun gift set that I want to share with you. Okay, so I was talking about getting something for Christmas or for Father's Day or for any occasion for the guy in your life. And it's really hard sometimes for me to figure out what to get my husband. And so I have put together kind of a gift set that I want to share with you guys. And it's available on my hookedonpickin.com website. And so I wanted to share this with you. I'll put the link down in the description. So what it includes is it will be one 50 caliber bullet in it could be any color like a brown or a gold or this is gunmetal silver, but they're LED, super duper bright. And then it'll include one shotgun shell flashlight. And then it'll include a mini 50 caliber flashlight. And they're all really bright, super, super bright flashlights. So it'll include all three of those flashlights. Then you will get your choice. I'll have an option. You can get a bullet bracelet. And I'll show a closer picture of this over here so that you can see it. Or you can opt for a Christian themed bracelet. This says, "And by his wounds you are healed." These are leather bracelets. And then I also have another Christian set that I'm going to talk to you about in a minute. It will also include one set of men's sunglasses and a hat, basically in a USA flag hat. So I've got various different colors, which I will put over here, the ones that I have available. I've got one each of just this khaki and blue. So if you want these two specifically, you'll have to text me and I can send that one specifically for you after you put in your order. But so your set's going to include 3 flashlights, a hat, a pair of sunglasses, and one of your choice of bracelets. And I'll have the option for you to choose which kind of bracelet you want. So this is a great gift for your man in your life. I'm going to put it at $35 for all of these items. And that's a good deal because just for these hats alone, you're going to pay about 20 bucks. And so I'm going to put that on my website and then also put a link down in the description below so that you can click it. But this is a great men's Christmas gift, stocking stuffers, don't know what to get, you know, a guy in your life. Maybe it's a new member to the family. You don't know what they'll like. Well, of course, they're going to want a hat and bullet flashlights. Every guy wants bullet flashlights. So check that out and hopefully they will love it and enjoy it. I almost forgot to tell you, I do have a Christian set that I'm going to be selling for about $9.99. It will include one of these leather Christian bracelets along with a sterling silver, you can see it right here, ring that says Jesus. It's a spinner ring, so it's sterling silver and it'll say Jesus on it. So that's a Christian gift set, stocking stuffer, you know, Father's Day, birthday gift that you can also purchase for your man in your life. Actually, I misspoke. These are stainless steel rings. Also, before I forget, I'm going to throw something in there that's going to be absolutely hysterical. You're going to want to get it. It's going to be super funny. So that'll be my bonus extra thing that I'm going to throw in there for you that'll just make the man in your life hysterically laugh. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.